Coming up this weekend in the English Premier League is what used to be the biggest fixture in English football. But things and time change, and Sunday's game is now simply a game between the 100% win record league leaders Liverpool and another team, 15 points adrift, way down in 12th place. And this is after just 8 games. That team just happens to be Manchester United. And we understand that Man U will be missing key players, Paul Pogba and David De Gea, due to injury. We're even hearing rumors that the club is writing off this game, with their main concern being not to get 5 or 6 love. But let me tell you this, you can't trick me. This is Manchester United facing Liverpool. If it's even the Manchester United dog and the rat and the puss put on that Man U jersey and take that field on Sunday, it will be a dog, a rat and puss war against Liverpool. Manchester United will not and will never give or surrender any game or points to Liverpool. Not in this war. Anything we want, round at Old Trafford, we have to go around there, go play for it. And my coach and my team know that. You see this game on Sunday, it's like a 2-dog clash. Yes. One dog, a fight for glory and supremacy. And the next dog, Liam. Him Liam, but yes. Him Liam, but him still dangerous. Watch him.